What's going on, everybody? Mike here with some more resets for you guys. Today we got a Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Pretty cool phone. Got the dual screen, inner screen. And we're gonna do a quick reset on it. So you have, after you have the phone folded in, and you have a pattern or password that you don't remember what it is, and you want to do a hard reset on the phone, this is going to be how you do it. You have a power button right here. You have your volume up and volume down. So first thing we got to do is turn off the phone. So we'll tap power and volume up at the same time. We'll power it off. And then with the phone, you want to keep the phone. I mean, you could do it with the phone folded out, but it's just a little bit easier to do it with the phone folded in. You want to hold the volume down, which is right here, and the power at the same time. Turn it this way so you guys can kind of see it a little bit better. So I'm going to hold the volume down, hold the power key. Once the phone vibrates, usually let go of it. It should bring me right to the reset menu. There it goes. And from here, you just want to use the volume buttons to scroll and select, and then the power button is your enter button. So it's in fast boot. We want to get to recovery. So we get to recovery mode. We hit enter. Then it'll bring up the Android logo. You want to do volume down and power, I believe. So hold the volume down, hit tap power. I'm sorry, it's volume. Hold volume up and tap power, or hold power and tap volume up. That's the best way to do it. And then scroll down to your wipe data factory reset. Hit enter, which is your power button. Confirm, and it should start doing the reset. It should bring this up in the fold screen too, and it works kind of the same way. And you can do the reboot to system now, and it will start rebooting. Cool phone. That's how you guys how to do a hard reset. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks.